Hello there, this is Deborah, and today I'm making some oatmeal milk and honey cold processed soap with wheat germ oil. This bright, beautiful gold color that you see along with the other oils here is the wheat germ oil. It has that bright gold color to it. It will change up a little bit once I add some other ingredients with it. Some of the other wonderful properties that I'm going to be adding to this soap is going to be some colloidal oatmeal, some heavy cream, kaolin clay, some orange peel for the exfoliant part of it, and some activated charcoal. I am hoping to do 3 different layers here, a little bit of a swirl. The soap is a little thick, but it's not from the fragrance oil whatsoever. It is basically coming from the extra colloidal oatmeal that I've added, along with the kaolin clay, along with the orange peel, the activated charcoal, and I believe the wheat germ oil is kind of making my mixture a little thicker here. The fragrance oil, I purchased it from a Wholesale Supply Plus, and I really love their fragrance oils. I buy my products from a lot of different places, but this is where this particular fragrance oil came from. I'm going to go ahead and add the first layer, and then I'm going to add the activated charcoal layer, and then I'm going to add the deep gold color, trying to get it more look like the beehives, the honey. So we should see how it turned out. I really wanted to make this bar a little different than what I normally make. Just wanted to make it pop just a little bit. And I'm just kind of mixing this together, no special way there. I'm going to take the rest of the batter and put it in my piping bag to pipe some dollops on top of the soap, and then I'm going to be able to add my embeds on top of that. The soap is a little bit warm than normal. I believe it's coming from the sodium lactate and the mixture of, I'm not sure if the wheat germ or the colloidal oatmeal, but either way it's a little bit warm, but it should be fine. It's pretty thick, but it's not as thick as, it's not seasoned or ricin or anything. This is just from the ingredients that I'm using. So it's a really thick batter here. So I'm going to go ahead and pipe that on. I'm trying to keep this video short, and hopefully you will stick around and enjoy the whole video. I hope so. The heat from the soap is pretty hot. I'm just real glad to have on some gloves today. Although the heat's coming through the gloves. When you pipe soap, it can get pretty hot sometime. I'm going to go ahead and add my cute little melt and pour detergent-free embeds on here. These are, I tried to make them look like little beehives. There is a little bee on it as well. I think it's kind of cute. I actually carved out the little holes so that you can see through them, just trying to give it a little bit more of a look there. I also added some gold mica to it, and as you can see, my video got cut off. Really sorry about that. So this is a pretty short video, but I hope you enjoyed, and this is what the soap looks like. There will also be a picture coming up to show you how it turned out. So once again, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have an amazing day. Bye now.